Okay, Bearwoodbrown here, doing obviously a YouTube video exclusively for YouTube. But what I'm doing, I'm going to be using this chipping hammer. I want to take this down in here. This is a little bit high in this area. It's not really too high. It's about an inch thick, so that's probably enough. But I want it just a bit more, and I want a new surface for it to stick to. Chip away some of this. It's just a bit high. So 1.5 inches, 2 inches would be happy with me, all the way down there. So that's what we're going to do right now. Tell you what's a good thing is a knee pad. Really save you. So I start down here at the bottom sort of and work my way up. Pretty soft there. Not too far. Hit into these tiles. These other tiles. What I like to do is do a few minutes of it and then clean it up. You can see what you're doing. It's a great tool, but just be careful how you use it, or you can do your back end. Like if you stretch out too far, like I started to do, get closer to your work. Thanks for watching. I think this is scene 3, the driveway repair on the Samsung camera. It's July 25th, 2013. Thanks for watching.